Okay, this ball game is now underway. The starting lineup, the Christmas starting day lineup para sa Pure Foods, Roger Yap, James Yap in the backcourt, Ray Evangelista, the veteran at the small forward spot, and then you have the awesome center and power forward combination of Romel Aducol and Kirby Raimundo. And it's Stupid who's going to be the Christmas test. He tries to shadow former teammate James Yap. Raimundo with a rebound. Raimundo really covered by the long arms of Rivas. And James Yap trying to score the first points. There is Roger Yap. Handoff. Aducol is
Grabe kay Romel Aducol from the barangay na nandito ngayong araw na ito.
mahirap pala yun. Here's Stupid. Last up, so siyempre nandito yung ating barangay Bundon. Raimundo. Running kay Helterbrand. Nakatingin kay Salvacion. Salvacion. Back to Helterbrand. Now some trying to shoot para sa Ginebra. And here's Menk on the right side. Menk trying to go inside. Bola na punta kay Salvacion. And he is hammered by Aducol.
To the basket, gets to the free throw line, and gets another foul, and gets a foul mula kay Romel Aducol.
Artist, but meron siyang pangangatawan to really have an outside-inside game.
You remember the times when he was still in college? He used to see that.
Ng Ginebra dito. Helterbrand on the move. Helterbrand inside. Menk. Kasing alam ng keso de bola.
Uy! Patis na siguro. Responsible for the only points they have on the board.
Here's Menk barreling through.
It's picking up, but his numbers, his worst ever since he entered the PBA.
Yeah, 4-3. Yes, sir! It's a 4-point lead for Pure Foods. Here's Menk. Umatake and he will take two.
Looking in a game situation.
Pasok ang unang free throw. Offensive rebound para sa Ginebra. That's keeping them in the ball game. With over 7 minutes to go in the opening quarter. Here's Menk against Aducol. Menk on the move. Menk trying to muscle his way inside, but a whistle is blown. That's going to be the third foul against Aducol.
He just has that confidence advantage when it comes to dito kay Romel Aducol, and Romel Aducol obviously will have to move out now. Actually, si Mark Pingrich nag-aantay na dun sa scorer's table. Gusto niya nang palitan si Romel Aducol, but good job on Barangay Ginebra realizing that Aducol has 2 fouls and to attack him early.
Bola na kay James Yap. James Yap, where's he going? He fires and scores! Score the basket para kay James Yap. Switch it over to Macapagal. Macapagal goes inside!
Kakaroon ng sitwasyon na yung depensa humahabol na lang sa'yo gaya ng si James Yap dito kay Mark Macapagal.
Helterbrand, double team. That will leave Menk open, and he will get fouled. He gets the rebound. And, you know, despite the shooting lows
2% at the moment.
Ronald Tubid to replace Sunday Salvacion.
There was going to be a quickness differential.
Double header. Ang laro po natin ngayon, laban ng Ginebra at Pure Foods. At ito ang big bonus matchup between two all-star centers. Eric Menk para sa Ginebra at Kirby Raimundo para sa Pure Foods, TJ Giants.
Both guys coming off excellent games. On one side, nakita natin doon si Eric Menk had a double-double, 12 and 10 against Cook. Ito naman si Kirby Raimundo.
Here's James Yap, hounded by Macapagal. 3 to shoot. At bola na agad ni Rivas, pero counter steal by Roger Yap. Ito na si Raimundo. Raimundo, handoff. Ay, nabitawan.
Isa sa mga problema na is turnovers because he averages 3.5 turnovers a game and that ball going straight to our cameraman.
Eh, naiwan niya ang matikita dun sa mga daliri ni Herb.
Lahat ng iniisip mo ngayon, pagkain ha? Lahat ng busog na busog ka itong Pasko eh.
Where's Makapagal? Swallowed up by the defense. Giants up by 2. Roger Yap spins, fires, air ball. By the way,
Isa pa lamang, so expect Ginebra to pound the ball down low and try to get more fouls from these teams.
who misses mula kay Helter. At lamang pa rin ang dalawa. Pure Food, 5.5 remaining in the opening quarter. Here's Pingris outside. Simon, here's Roger Yap. Inside, Raimundo. 4 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Raimundo fires. Here's Mamaril, handoff, Helterbrand. Helterbrand trying to go baseline. He fires and misses. 4-point lead para sa Pure Foods. And James Yap, former MVP, with a spin away.
Got it.
The man with a million moves, James Carlos Yap, unstoppable on that play. Pure Foods, labang po ng ani. Naku, itong mga taga-barangay Big Dome, ever so loyal. Even if Ginebra is struggling dito sa ating...
It's a 6-point lead. That's not a big hole compared to how bad they are shooting dito sa ating quarter na to.
both from... Big Mama. Billy Mamaril with 2 misses from the stripe. Ito, sinusuka rin po si Rafi Rivas outside. Pistol Pete. High looper. Wala na kay Mark Makapagal. Put me to Helterbrand. Helterbrand on the move. Helterbrand will step on the brakes and now we'll set the offense here. 16 on the shot clock. Wala na kay Makapagal. Makapagal goes baseline. Has nowhere to go. Outside Rivas. Then on the shot clock is Helterbrand. Bounce pass. Rivas with a stretch and a miss. Top defense provided by Mark Pingris.
You know, Pure Foods as a team, they are one of the top or the top defensive teams we have.
You know, and this is what Adobo's addition to this team, why it means a lot. Because now you have Pingris fresh off the bench with all that energy. You combine that with the passing ability of Kirby Raimundo. That's difficult to stop.
Of course, Mark Pingris, he's one of the energy guys. If you're an energy guy, kadalasan gusto ng coach yan pinapasok as a second unit. You look at Barangay Ginebra, what they did with Ronald Tubig.
At dahil lumalayo ang Pure Foods sa ating laro as Tubig on courts. At yung bola nakuha ni Raimundo. Bring ito Peter Jones Simon and he spins and he will score! At hindi na po mapigil. Ginebra nag-aarap ng paraan para hindi maiwan ang tuluyan dito as Helterbrand is fouled.
Key guys, Ronald Tubig, both guys still score.
Are sitting down and J.R. Aquino, the rookie, comes in to join Tubig, Meng, Mamaril, J.J. Helterbrand.
Para sa Barangay
Hindi
Ginebra.
yata na isama. As Raimundo fires, Mamaril to Aquino. Aquino goes to Meng at the post against Raimundo. That's a big bonus matchup and Meng will score.
Pagkakataon.
Simon outside Raimundo. Here's Rob Sands, another rookie. Sands with a footer! Sa opening quarter, bola na kay Meng. Cross court, Tubig from the corner all day to shoot. Wala pa rin. Pingris with the
Yung araw na to, yung mga libreng tira ngayon.
Simon, 4-3. Yes, sir! PM press for Peter Jones Simon. Here's Meng inside. Mamaril. Dahil kinakabahan nitong mga taga-barangay Big Dome.
So that's the same feeling I got every time I went to the free throw line.
Itong katinang
Pasko na.
Oo. As Mamaril gets 1 out of 2. Here's Raimundo. Roger Yap, 4-3. Yes, sir! PM press for Roger.
Tingnan mo naman yung nakikita ng 3-point shot. Open look. Only Pure Foods is making there.
And a steal by Simon. Simon against Artadi. And Simon brushes Artadi aside. And they call an offensive foul. Remember, Artadi used to play for Pure Foods.
Pasang-pasa ni Paul Artadi.
Kailangan ng Ginebra dito. Scoring. Not so much fitness. As Makapagal at courts. At wala pa rin. really ice cold from the outside. Here's Artadi. Artadi on the move. Artadi to makapagal. Isa pa! Wala pa rin! And here's Simon, who's on the move, and he fires and scores! Talamig ng kanilang atake dito. And here's Artadi. And it takes Paul Artadi to break the ice here para sa Ginebra with 3 seconds remaining in the opening quarter. And Simon, naku, may pagkakataon pa! Oh, almost, but not quite. What a showdown! At kanina, nag-init si Peter Jones Simon. With a TM3, satid sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte Sim, 30 pesos lang. May bagong diskarte ka na.
Malaking kalamangan.
Welcome to the second quarter of play. As Paul Artadi misses the layup, Pingris with a rebound. Beer Foods begins the second quarter with Roger Yap, Rob Sands, Mark Pingris, Jonathan Salvador, and Peter June Simon. Samantalang itong si Artadi nagmamadali. Hand off, Salvacion, and Salvacion will score.
That's a good job, mga Giants. Dagdag lang natin dyan, ha? Itong Ginebra from the free throw line, 39%. So itong Beer Foods, even shooting better from the field. Eso de bola Paredes, saka Leche Flat. Alam ko lang kung ano yung ulam nyo kagabi. Sinasabi mo na lahat ng halatang wala kayong sweet ham.
As James Yap will miss. At pinalipad ni Rob Sands itong si Sunday Salvacion for loose ball foul. Raichi Ferrer. Meantime, here's Bakapagal. 4-3. Yes, sir! PM3 for...
Si Eric Mex na siguro, main weapon nila. So kinakailangan marami yung mga outside shots nila.
Nice move by Jordan Salvador. Everything but the girl. Meantime, here's Artadi. Artadi steps on the gas. Muntik na maagaw. Ayun, tuloy ng naagaw. Turnover. Here's James Yap on the move. James Yap against Bakapagal. James Yap zigzagging inside. Nasa kanya pa rin ang bola. And now he loses it. Well, Ginebra desperately looking for somebody to provide points here as Bakapagal will miss. Ito na naman si Simon. Simon on the move. Simon! There's an offensive foul against Pure Foods. Dito, in the early moments of the second quarter, Bakapagal sends it over to Mamarin. And now Artadi against Simon. Here's Salvacion. 4-3. No go. But an advantage against Salvacion. Pingris inatrasan. And he will miss. And he got the rebound. And he goes up. And he will score.
Not about what itong si PJ Simon is doing. And what about ito si Mark Pingris? He has the height advantage, gets that first attempt, but he doesn't quit on it. Ito si Mark Pingris gets his 5th point. But the good thing about dito kay Mark Pingris ay 4 na yung kanyang rebound.
So 9 minutes remaining here in the first half. At patuloy pa rin ang pamamayani rito ng Pure Foods. Meantime, here's Artadi on the right side. Sends it over to Salvacion. 4-3. Yes, sir! Meantime, here's Pingris. Again, aatrasan niya itong si Salvacion. Tumulong si Bakapagal. Here's Yap on the move. And he was caught dancing. 12 points na kailangan habulin ng Ginebra. And Rivas will score on that reverse layup. It's a PBA on ABC as we look at the team standing.
But this is what we were talking about. Pure Foods already with 11 wins. 1 game away from at least getting a tie for an outright semifinal slot. On the other side, Barangay Ginebra, they're 6-9. Alam natin, isa
Para
matatanggal.
mapanood itong laban ng Pure Foods at Ginebra. Here's Pingris, drop pass, Salvador, nowhere to go. 5 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Artadi with a steal. Get Lightning on the move and he goes all the way. No! Wild shot and here's Simon. Counter attack here para sa Pure Foods. Sends it over to Raimundo. 10-point ball game in the second quarter. And here's James Yap. Pasa niya na agaw. Ito na naman Artadi. Hinahabol ni Kirby Raimundo. Artadi is fouled.
Now that he's with Barangay Ginebra, seemingly wanting to prove a point na dapat mas maraming minuto hindi ako ginagamit kung nasa Pure Foods pa ako.
Bibigyan ng parangal ng PBA at the start of the second half.
Alam mo, papasisirin, papahanap yung piso.
Gold medal ata yan.
And it's already the second time that Miguel Molina has reached medal goal para sa ating bansa.
Tatlo ang abante ng Pure Foods, 36-23. At tinulak ni John Dan Salvador court si JJ Helterbrand. That's a turnover.
Turnovers. That's only the second turnover para sa Barangay Ginebra. In this quarter, Pure Foods is the one that has been throwing the ball away. Actually, kaya nakahabol tong Barangay Ginebra. Their defense has stepped it up and they've forced Pure Foods into 5 turnovers.
Halos nangangalahati na tayo dito sa second quarter. Yup, everything but the basket. Ito na, Helterbrand, bounce pass. Aquino will score! J.R. Aquino,
Not yet here in today's game. They need an energy guy. Obviously, J.R. Aquino could fill that role.
wow!
Tough foul.
Bagsak doon si Jason against Macapagal. Ito nangyari dyan.
And Mark Macapagal making sure that James Yap won't be able to get that basket. And Rafi Rivas, he's the secondary defender. Oh, the crowd showing their love for James Yap.
Every time you touch the basket. Meantime, James Yap, second free throw is good. So 6 now in the ball game para sa Pure Foods. Aquino! Maybe that is forte there. Kamatala, Yap, sinalubong ni Tubin. Here's Arnie Larong, and he will score! PM Press! After winning, by a big margin on the red board. Ronald Tubin gets a PM Press. Right! Helterbrand at si Arnie Larong locking horns on the opposite side of the court. What seems to have happened there? Parang hinila ni Helterbrand itong si Arnie Larong right after Tubin made a triple. And now, itong Pure Foods bench, because that happened in front of the Pure Foods bench, lahat po sila nakatayo at lahat nakatitig dito kay JJ Helterbrand.
We're obviously going to see a replay of that later on. That's on the weak side right there. Kita natin doon yung box out ni RD Larong. JJ Helterbrand didn't take that kindly. Non-entity thus far in our game. Still scoreless. Para dito kay JJ Helterbrand, he only has 1 assist. Ronald Tubin. So key guys para sa Barangay Ginebra ay nawawala pa rin. Kulang na kulang pa rin ang kontribusyon nila.
Well, make no mistake about it, hindi po to Christmas Day excursion for both teams. They are here and they mean business. They're here to win on Christmas Day.
These two teams, they probably still feel bad dahil alam nila na kagabi. Gusto ko sana kita
5 and 20 remaining in the second quarter. Helterbrand on the move. Helterbrand is fouled.
You don't want to do kung ikaw ay Pure Foods, gisingin etong si JJ Helterbrand. That might be his wake dito kay JJ Helterbrand.
Well, sa wakas, nakakonekta ng free throw itong si JJ Helterbrand. Malaki-laki pa rin itong kailangan na bully ng Ginebra. Score natin 41-29. Approaching the 5-minute mark of the second quarter. Helterbrand with a steal. Helterbrand on the move. He fires and misses. John Dan Salvador with a rebound. Quickly to RD Larong. Larong steps on the gas over to Yap. Yap 4-3. Actually, there's a 2-pointer on the way, but it does not drop. Ito na, Helterbrand. 12 points ang inahabol ng Ginebra. Here's Tubin. Tubin on the move. Tubin sidestep. Beauty. Second personal.
Hey, look at this crossover that gets it free. It's got an open lane. Oop, yeah. May have been the angle of the referee.
Yun, big break para kay Ronald Tubin in the ball game para palitan si J.R. Aquino. Second free throw for Ronald Tubin. At ito na, takbuhan na ang Ginebra. Kid Lightning, Mr. Fearless. Tubin on the move and he will score! At ako, nagkatulakan pa. Tulakan pa rito ha. At si Helterbrand nanggigigil na dito kay RD Larong. Nanggigigil ito si JJ Helterbrand. Nagpapalitan na ng maanghang na salita. And a technical foul has been called. And the coaches are on the court. And Merry Christmas to one and all! Ho, ho, ho! Joy, peace, and love for everybody! somebody should remind these players, huh? It's Christmas Day. But you know, Artie Larong really getting the brunt of Ginebra's frustrations in this ball game. So now, both teams have to be separated here. Because right after that basket by Ronald Tubit, nagbuhol,
Guys are taking them apart. Ito, dito nagsimula yun. You look at Artie Larong,
There's Artie Larong.
the bottom of the screen.
Ayan, nagkabuhol sila ni Ronald Tubit.
Nothing really there, you know?
Konting
Maliit
box out lang.
Oo.
Well, ito, nagkakaturuan na. Dahil kanina pa nila pinag-iinitan ito si Artie Larong. Right, here's probably a better angle. Now look under the basket. Artie Larong and Ronald Tubit. Ang pakaramdam ni Ronald Tubit, pananaw, ayan, sabi ni Rodrigo, ikaw! Ikaw ang may sala! Has been a hostile Christmas Day showdown with 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Bola na kay James yan.
You know, lost in all of that is that Barangay Ginebra is really making headway into this lead of Pure Foods down to 8, and they seem to be gaining momentum as the second quarter is going to a close.
You know, kabisado ni Artadi all the tendencies of his former teammates.
Right here, kanina, nakuha niya na ito ng offensive foul. Isa pa ulit. You know, that pesky defense by Paul Artadi really was the one that was able to get that foul mula kay Peter Juke Simon.
Meantime, here's Artadi on offense. Handoff, Helter Brad. No. Bola nakapik, napulot ni Roger Yap. Roger Yap sends it over to Simon against Tubit. Simon spins. Inabot. And ball will stay with Pure Foods. Time to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Time to weather the Ginebra storm. Ito na, Raimundo. On the move. He was fouled.
Actually, Kirby nahirapan si Kirby. You know, one of the ways that I think Kirby can offset the length of Rafi Rivas
Balance
before you take a shot.
Paatrasin mo man lang ng konti. As Raimundo goes 1 out of 2.
Although he has only had 5 points, he has been able to give away 7 assists. Although si Kirby Raimundo.
Well, gano'n na lamang ang respeto sa kanya ng Ginebra defense. Meantime, an interception by Roger Yap, that's the specialty of the house. As we approach the last 3 minutes of the second quarter, ito na naman, Raimundo against Rivas. Oh, what a move by Kirby Raimundo.
Yeah, that time.
Meantime, here's Rivas. Tubit, 4-3, malihis. Bola pinapik, napunta kay Simon. Score natin 44-33. Lamang ang Pure Foods ng 11 puntos with under 3 minutes to go in the second quarter. Here's Simon. Spins. Handoff. Pingris. Sayang. Nice move there by Pingris and Simon. Meantime, here's Artadi over to Tubit. Tubit against James Yap. And here's Tubit on the move. Floater is no good. Pingris ang muling boom. Si Mrs. James Yap, the one, the only, Chris Aquino, dala-dala ang kanilang sweet baby James. Marunong palang tumupad sa usapan nito si James. Sabi niya, manunood. Ha? Ang kanyang pamilya, dala-dala si baby James. Nakuloy. And he's true to his life. Okay.
Napahirapan sigurado siya.
102 minutes. 2 minutes to go in the first half. And here's Menk. And he scores! Pinaghirapan.
Good for them dahil pumasok na nga ito si Eric Menk.
Simon. Here's Raimundo. 6 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. 4 to shoot. Kirby na malamang titira nito. Separation and basket is good.
You see that separate shot clock in 24.
9 points para kay Raimundo. Under a minute to go in the second quarter. Artadi finds Tubit. Tubit tumira ng 3. Yes sir! Tia 3 for Ronald Tubit.
16 na shooter nila. Nakikita na ng maigi ang ating ring.
And bagamat paubos na ang oras dito sa second quarter. Here's Roger Yap. Inatrasan. Paul Artadi. Eric Menk gets the rebound. And here's Artadi on the move. Artadi fires. It scores!
Confident.
And it's just a 6-point ball game. And here's Simon. And, you know, Simon has been a thorn on Ginebra's side magmula nung siya'y pumasok sa larong ito. Good lightning. Look what he got from Santa. An outside shot. No, but you know, Artadi,
in a fast break situation because ang bumabantay sa'yo, he's already on his heels and obviously running backwards. Running forward, hindi mo na mahabol. Running backwards pa kaya.
oh, teka muna. Ronald Tubin and Mark Pingris. Sandali lang. Bumagsak. Oy, teka. Ito, kailangan awatin. Pingris at si Pingris talagang nag-iinit ang ulo rito. Pingris this is happening in front of the Ginebra bench. And Pingris has to be restrained.
Well, looking at Mark Pingris, meron mukhang tinamaan.
Bumagsak si Pingris at si Ronald Tubin. And then when both gentlemen were getting out of their feet.
Ito, tingnan natin. Ayos tumama sa ilalim yung paa. Pagkabagsak nito si Ronald Tubin, his foot flew up and that foot hit the bottom part of ito si Mark Pingris.
Tawag yata dun accidentally hit by design. Kaya di natuwa itong si Mark Pingris.
You know, a couple of guys already carrying one technical foul each. And they have to be careful because you don't want to be out of this Christmas Day game dahil lang sa mga technical fouls.
Teka muna. Wait a minute. 30-second time at ang Ginebra dito because we have 6 seconds remaining in what has been a very interesting first half in this Christmas Day showdown between Pure Foods and Ginebra. So we are hanging on. At tingnan natin kung mapakinggan natin itong huling plano ng Ginebra. Sa Biyernes, December 20,